Hello, and thanks for watching another getSoapy 2-minute tour. Today we're looking at how we can import customers, whether it's from another platform like Squeegee or Cleaner Planner, or from a custom spreadsheet you've made yourself. Importing your existing customer data is super quick and easy. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get started. If we first look at the file we're going to import, you can see it's a standard CSV. It's got columns for every field like name, email, phone number, service, etc. and rows for every customer. This is all fake data, so there's no issue showing it to you. This could be from another platform or from some spreadsheet you've made yourself. So let's go to getSoapy. As you can see, we have no customers yet, so let's import this file. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Settings and in Customer Notifications, make sure we've turned off any notification we wouldn't want these customers to receive. So back in Settings, down at the bottom of the page, I can pick Import Customer Data and create a new CSV import. I'm going to select the file I just showed you and click Next. Now as we step through this, getSoapy is going to ask me questions if it can't handle the data itself. We can see the progress bar at the top where the yellow means we need to sort something out. So I'm going to scroll down here and I can see each column of that file I've just selected, and for all these so far getSoapy's been able to automatically work out what that column is, so I don't need to do anything. What I am going to check on this notes field, it's defaulted to notes under customer. These notes actually relate to the job, not the customer, so I'm going to change that, and obviously you check all these yourselves, but I know these are going to work fine. The next couple of fields, and that's us finished the upload stage. Now we're on to services. And these names, conservatory inside, conservatory roof, gutters, these are things from my spreadsheet. These are the names I gave those services. So I'm just going to match these up to what the services are in getSoapy. And these could either be existing services I've already created in my account or new services as we go. So patio cleaning, that's basically pressure washing. Trad windows, well that's residential window cleaning, and windows is just residential window cleaning. Next. So now it's importing rounds from my spreadsheet, and it didn't need any help from me there, it's done that itself, and also pricing categories, it's already finished. Now it's working through all the customers, and there's about 300 customers in this file, so it might take a second. I'm just going to wait. Nope, didn't need any more questions from me. So now we're on to jobs, but that's what's all imported. And it might take a few more minutes before all the data is there, but let's just have a look at customers. And yep, they're all there with their jobs, and it's created a nice little pricing category and item from the services I selected, and that's going to work out as a nice email when I complete this job. So I hope you found that useful. That's how easy it is to import your existing data into getSoapy. If you've got any questions, ask them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them, and have a good one.